Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight. Here in front of us, we have a Moissanite engagement ring from James Allen. This particular ring is labeled as a 1.65 carat cushion cut Moissanite, and it's paired with a white gold petite pave engagement ring setting. The total cost for this ring, for the setting and the Moissanite you're seeing here, the total cost was around $1950, so less than $2,000. Of that price, around 800 of that was for the Moissanite and around 1150 of that was for the setting. So just under $2,000. Now I'm making this video to show you guys what this ring actually looks like in real life so you can see a real life example rather than just the stock photos on their website. And if you're interested in this setting or any of their Moissanites, I will have links to their website down in the video description. You can take a look at this exact setting and also look at the different Moissanites that they have available. Now, in terms of picking a Moissanite over a lab diamond or a natural diamond, I am a firm believer in building the engagement ring that you've always dreamed about, that has the styling and the size that you've always dreamed about. And then taking your budget and figuring out what components, what stone type you can use to make that image come to life. So sometimes that means picking a Moissanite because they're least expensive. They still look really, really good. And you can get that nice big center stone size and it's going to make you very, very happy. Or if you have a little bit bigger of a budget, you can go with a lab diamond, which is a fantastic option. It's not too much more. It gives you a lot of the benefits of having an actual diamond. Or if you have a big budget, you can go for a natural diamond. But everyone has their own style, so be sure to check with your significant other and see what they prefer and see if a natural diamond is something that they really want or if they're open to a lab diamond or a Moissanite. This example here is a perfect example of how you can get a really, really good looking engagement ring for less than $2,000 using a Moissanite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll have links to this ring and the setting and everything down in the video description. Be sure to check them out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.